Welcome and thanks for registering for this course. I created this mini tutorial to speed up the initial learning process for getting acquainted with Vedic software. Please make sure you download the PDF for the course outline from the course page. It looks just like this. I'm going to hop on over to the course outline that I have on the slides, which looks exactly like the PDF. And so there are 10 total modules, and that's because there are multiple steps in getting started with the software. This is Module 1. In Module 1, we will purchase and download the Vedic software. On the right-hand side here, you'll see the website. You need to go to vedicsoftware.com, and this is what it will look like. You want to get version 9. So right under this here, click on Pay, and then scroll down, and you'll see where it says $318. This is the V9 Pro, and you want to click on the PayPal link. This will take you through the PayPal process. So don't be alarmed when you don't get an instant download, because you are going to get an email. I don't know how fast it comes, but it comes pretty fast. The welcome email is going to look like this. If you look on the left-hand side, it is going to have a login and password for you, and you're going to use that on this website. If you see the cursor on the screen, you're going to log in right here, and you're going to put in the username and password that you get in your email. That is going to get you into the website, and you're going to do pretty much two main things in the website. You are going to download and save the install file, and then later on we are going to come back and get a registration code. You go to the download tab, and then go to download install file, and you want to save that file on your computer, but don't try to open it because it's a Windows-based software and it does not open on Mac computers. So just save it, and that was the last step for Module 1. Now we're going to move on to Module 2.